pull up just a hair for me, please? That works. Yo, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? Maybe that sun ain't too bad for y'all. Try to get this video going before the sun. After about, I don't know, after 3 o'clock, man, it's a wrap as far as visibility. But we're finally back to work. It's been a minute. I got set up yesterday. Let's see. I think I got 2 loads. Did I get? Yeah, I got 2 loads out yesterday. Coldwood Mill shut down. They shut down early yesterday, and they were closed all half of the day today. They just opened back up, so that kind of put a damper on everything. We out here, we swinging wood and looking good. This will be what? This will be number 7. Shabby, considering the mill was down. And we got plenty of wood stacked up now. Hopefully, the wood's pretty good in here. This is a second thinning again. Another second thinning. There is a clear cut that we will be pulling to this deck here, but we're going to knock this second thinning out first. But the wood's pretty good. So, as long as the mills stay working right, there ain't no reason why we can't do pretty good in here. And, I'm sure the boss man's hoping we doing good. So we ain't hit a whole lot in the past 2 weeks. Holiday closures, weather closures, and all that. So we need every load we can get, I imagine. But enough about all that. How are y'all doing? I hope all y'all doing well. January is about over. Tax time, baby, tax time. About to be a whole lot of 30-day tags riding around, you know what I'm saying? If it gets too bad when I edit this, I'll just go ahead and cut the rest of it out. We'll switch to another day and time. know the sun won't be in my eyes then. Come on.
6 hours later.
All right. The sun ain't shining. Let's see if I can't get a little something recorded. I can't see what I'm doing up there.
If I get out here before 5, a little bit before 5, I can make it. Copy that?
Yes, he is.
Alright.
I do what I can, fella. I've lost another good one. She's on the midnight train to Memphis. Bucket on this thing, y'all. I need a bigger bucket. Plenty of time, plenty of time. Man, come back to work making demands. What you say? I hear you, but I can't talk, baby. We're busy. Got my hands full. I got Portwood. So what now? Oh, your favorite truck driver, Amp. Yeah, I heard something, man. I got my hands full. Yeah, trying to get this fella out of here in time so he can make it to the meal. You know, what's up? Y'all ain't got nothing over there or what?
Well, now you get a chance to reach over to the passenger side, and I think these wood in a second.
Oh, right. Man, the money load there, boy, money load. Yeah. I don't know, man. That's a secret. Hell, he ought to have two of them. I got you. Alright, buddy. Boop. All right there, Cooter Brown. Hold up, well, hold on. Let me knock this pin down. Alright, pull up. How long was that, y'all? You think that was fast enough? Hold it. Alright, buddy, you're good to go. All good to go. That's a wrap, y'all. We gonna call it 10 and go on in. Lord willing, I'll see all y'all tomorrow. Yeah, I don't think I made enough video today. I guess see y'all lickety split. It won't be long and y'all see me again. Come on.